down when we got hit.
Windstorm, if you're in Ontario. In Ontario, did it affect all Ontario or just like GTA?
Yeah, all of Ontario.
Was it all of Ontario?
Was it Southern Ontario mostly, or did it?
Ottawa caught it too.
Oh,
Ottawa caught it too, eh?
What, Northern Ontario, like? Just worked its way down.
Yeah, so power was out for a lot of people. Man, fences blown over. My fence included.
Yeah, I was
blown
gonna ask
over.
you, how do you, like, what happened with your fence?
Bro, the back two like panels blown over. The pool that we had, because we emptied it, there was no water in there. The frame of it blown inside, so it looked like a half moon. She was crazy, dog. My barbecue broke up, dog. Yo, bare lawn chairs had to get thrown out because they just got banged against something and the plastic would chip and shit. Yeah, fucked up, bro. Backyard caught it, bro. But anyways,
but you lost no power though, right?
No power was lost, so that's all right.
Lost no. You kept your power, but you're.
I'd rather the power be gone. I'd rather the power be gone. That's thousands of dollars that you have to pay, as opposed to not having power for what, 2-3 hours. Okay.
This nigga
my power went out at like I think
11:30 at night.
Then no, 11:30 in the morning.
Oh, okay.
And then
the next day.
No, like the day it happened.
Oh, is when it went out.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then when I came back home, it was still out for a couple hours, and didn't get back until I think 6:37.
It's not bad. You weren't home for a lot of the time, so.
Yeah, but still, it's just, it sucked that there's no power at all.
Yeah, it's shitty.
But yeah, all my stuff in the backyard was good.
It was good?
Yeah, nothing got damaged.
You guys are lucky, man.
This guy's backyard was fucked up.
Yeah, it was so bad.
Yo, like, he can't have no fun this summer, dog.
Yeah. I mean, no, we're gonna get it fixed in probably like the next 2 weeks. We'll probably get it weathered out.
That's halfway to the summer, dog.
The next 2 weeks?
Yo, next week is June. You be halfway to June.
It's not half through the summer. I still got July.
We live in Canada, man. You got half of August.
Half the summer. Anyways, I mean, I'm not having my summer in my backyard, so it's fine.
No grilling. You can't have no burgers, no chicken.
No, I could do that with my oven.
Your oven, no, it's not the same. Look at this guy making concessions. Nigga, he's supposed to be barbecue.
He's supposed to be barbecue, man. It's fine, bro.
Yeah, man.
It's fine. I'll live with it, man. I mean, I can always. I can do it. What's wrong with big? Yo, niggas are laughing. Niggas are laughing at baked chicken. Are you serious right now?
Nigga, in the climate, you supposed to be barbecuing.
Wow.
You supposed to have pork with the black on it, man.
Crazy.
No, you supposed to have pork with the black on it.
Say it if you went to a cookout and you saw baked chicken, you'd be like, "Hey, yo, what the fuck? Y'all ain't got no cheese?
I don't want none of that shit, dog.
Where the grill marks at?
Where the grill mark, for real?
Hey, yo, what the fuck? You serious?
Nah, I'm not going to no barbecue eating nothing baked.
Anyways, we on episode 74.
Yes, sir.
74. You haven't already, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Really appreciate it. Hit the comments. Tell us what you think. If you have any questions, ask some questions. We need some things to talk about, man. Bring us your wildest stories, man. I want to talk about a wild story, man.
You know what's funny? We actually have. We actually been having beef in the comment section recently.
Beef.
Yeah.
We.
Yeah.
Because I'm not in beef.
And woke people,
you're in the beef too.
I'm not in any beef.
You're in the beef.
What beef? Don't just sign me up for shit.